Understanding the phrase, "in the mist," an English language guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, "in the mist." This expression is not only picturesque but also carries a depth of meaning that can add nuance to your English conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting phrase. In the mist refers to a physical state where an environment is shrouded in mist or fog. Mist is a collection of tiny water droplets suspended in the air, often seen in the early morning, near bodies of water, or in mountainous regions. When someone or something is in the mist, it is partially hidden or obscured by this mist. This phrase evokes a sense of mystery or ambiguity due to the limited visibility. Beyond its literal meaning, "in the mist" is often used figuratively. In literature and everyday speech, it can symbolize confusion, uncertainty, or a lack of clarity. For instance, if someone's thoughts are described as being in the mist, it suggests that their ideas are not fully formed or clear. Similarly, a situation shrouded in the mist implies that it's not easy to understand or interpret. Let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Literal: the old castle was barely visible in the mist. 2. Figurative: his future plans seemed to be lost in the mist after the unexpected news. Using "in the mist" in various sentences enhances the descriptive quality of the language, adding an element of visual imagery or conveying the intangible aspects of thoughts and emotions. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "in the mist," has been enlightening. Whether used literally to describe a foggy scene or figuratively to express uncertainty, this phrase enriches the English language with its evocative imagery. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using such phrases with ease and confidence in your daily conversations. Until next time, happy learning!